With this, your lashes will be longer. Over time, due to a process of loss and regeneration, the lashes can become thin and short. For women, ideally they should be abundant and long. There are many treatments in the market to have the ideal lashes, but thanks to the nutrients of some homemade elements, you can easily obtain the same results. Now, you need to take good care of your eyelashes. So, I give you some simple tips. 1. Do not abuse mascara. 2. Do not squeeze many of your eyes, unless your eyelashes are very thick. 3. Avoid using the eyelash curler. In many cases it has happened that thanks to this element the eyelashes are cut. 4. Groom yourself with care, as the eyelashes are very fragile. Avoid jerky movements. Here are a few homemade recipes that will help you grow your eyelashes. 1. Olive oil. It serves most of all to clean the follicles of the eyelashes, eliminating what is contaminating, thus stimulating the process of growth. With a little bit of cotton you can apply it every night before bed and remove it the next day. 2. Castor oil. Thanks to its properties, castor oil moisturizes and strengthens the lashes, increasing its growth. Like olive oil, you apply it before bed and retire the next morning. You can also take a container of mascara that is empty, pour the castor oil and apply it on the eyelashes. 3. Chamomile. After your face has been washed and cleansed, you put a chamomile flower in a bowl. When it cools down a little, you soak a cotton and pass it over your eyelids. This recipe, you need to repeat it daily, since the results will not be seen from one day to the next. But if you are constant, in about a month you will notice the results. 4. Juice of carrot, orange, flower pollen and walnut. These ingredients contain high doses of vitamins that will help your eyelashes to be nourished. Mix 6 carrots, 4 oranges, 2 tablespoons of flower pollen and a tablespoon of walnut. Prepare a juice with these ingredients and take it during the morning.